I care so deeply about the work that we're doing here at Redmond. I've been involved in cancer care since about 2000. I'm also a 2-time cancer survivor. What I can tell you as a cancer patient and having worked with cancer patients for many years, cancer, it takes away from your life because the treatments are very difficult. Oncology Rehab is about restoring lives that focuses on empowering the patient, giving them hope. I think we can work hard to make this journey as bearable as we can and actually enhance the lives of patients as they walk through a devastating disease.
Oncology Rehab is unique in that we're able to take the needs of the patient into consideration. This program is having a really good impact on our local community. Our philosophy for patient care is to treat the individual person. We find out what their needs are. On someone's first visit in our office, they'll get a full evaluation. We'll spend an hour or better just talking with the patient, finding out what their symptoms are, what issues they're having, what's going on in their personal life. And so we try to take all that into consideration with our therapy, and we'll design a program specific to their needs.
I found out about Redmond because a friend of mine and I were talking about needing a physical trainer after chemotherapy because I had been so weak. My goal when I came, I was just laying in the hammock that day and told my friend, like, I really need somebody to help me get stronger because I couldn't even walk to the stop sign. My goal was to get further than the stop sign. When I started the program, I saw an immediate difference and I saw an increase in my ability to turn my head left to right. They helped me get to the point where I was driving. This was the first place that I felt like they really understood chemotherapy and how it affects individually each system of the body. Going through something so traumatic, it breaks you down on another level to open up to people and need that kind of rapport with your caregivers. I get emotional when I tell people about the program. Like, I go out, I'm like the biggest advocate for this program. I never imagined that it would benefit me the way that it did. It gave me my life back. They go out of their way for their patients, and make an example of that because I've lived it. The Oncology Rehab program at Redmond has given me the confidence to go out and book a plane ticket to go travel if I want to. Also, it's given me the freedom that I don't think I would have had if I hadn't gotten treatment at Redmond.